Schlage Keypad locks, including models BE365, FE595, and FE575, use a 4-digit PIN for keyless entry. This introduction shows how changing your user PIN enhances home security. Regularly update your code, especially after sharing with guests or during staff changes in commercial settings. To change a user PIN on your Schlage Keypad lock, you'll need the master code. This special code is different from regular user codes and provides full access to programming functions. Enter the master code digit by digit on the keypad. For example, press 1. Enter the master code digit by digit on the keypad. For example, press 2. Enter the master code digit by digit on the keypad. For example, press 3. Enter the master code digit by digit on the keypad. For example, press 4. Most Schlage locks come with default master codes like 1234 or 0000. For security, change this code right away to something unique that's not easily guessed, such as a birthday or repeating pattern. Once entered correctly, the master code unlocks programming mode, allowing you to add, change, or delete user codes on your lock. The master code is essential for managing your lock's user codes and maintaining security. Enter the current master code on the keypad. Press the Schlage button or the Lock Unlock button on some models. Enter a new, unique 4-digit code. Avoid easily guessed patterns like birthdays or sequences. Press the Schlage button again to confirm the new code. Test the new code to ensure it works properly. For FE575 and other Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-enabled models, start by downloading and opening the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Next, ensure your smartphone is connected to the lock via Bluetooth. The app will guide you through the pairing process for secure communication. Finally, navigate to the Access Codes section in the app. Here you can edit existing codes or add new ones. App-based changes are increasingly common for better security and the ability to manage codes remotely. Choose unique, non-obvious codes for your Schlage keypad. Avoid common patterns like birthdays, addresses, or repeating numbers such as 1111. Examples of weak passwords include those that are too short, contain dictionary words, or have sequential numbers. Change codes every 3 to 6 months, especially after guests have used them. Regularly updated codes drastically reduce the risk of unauthorized entry. If you forget the master code, a factory reset is necessary. Locate the reset button inside the lock, typically found by checking your manual for the specific location on models like BE365, FE595, or FE575. Pressing the reset button erases all programmed codes, including the master code and any user codes. This means you'll need to reprogram everything from scratch. Resetting should be avoided if possible, as it's a last resort option. Try other troubleshooting methods first, such as checking battery levels or referring to the user manual for alternative access methods. Newer Schlage models like the FE575 support over-the-air firmware updates. These updates are delivered wirelessly through the cloud to keep your lock secure. Explore multi-factor authentication options if available on your lock. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring biometric verification, such as a fingerprint, in addition to your PIN. Looking ahead, Schlage locks are evolving with advanced biometric options, combining fingerprint and PIN authentication for enhanced security. A key trend is the move towards app-only PIN changes, eliminating keypad programming for improved convenience and security. As technology advances, expect a complete shift to app-based controls, helping you maintain optimal security in the long term.